How to know who is stalking you on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial video, I will show you how to know who is stalking or visiting your profile on Facebook. So let's get started. First, you have to open Facebook with your account. Alright, after you open Facebook, tap on your profile icon just at the top left. From your profile section, tap on three dots just at the right hand section of Edit Profile. From the profile setting, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option Turn on Professional Mode. From here, tap on Turn on, or tap on Next. Choose your audience. From here, you can manually edit setting or tap on Confirm. Again, tap on Next. Tap on Next. Okay, from here, as usual, tap on Next or Skip. Alright, after you turn on your professional mode on Facebook, tap on the option Go to Professional Dashboard. Alright, after you come on your professional dashboard, you'll be able to see this type of interface from your, if you complete a progress to your professional dashboard like get 5 new followers, get 5 new public posts, get at least 10 interaction on your post and automatically share your Instagram post to Facebook. After you complete all of the content from here, you'll be able to find out the options like profile views or view insight on your professional dashboard, and after you tap on that, you'll be easily able to view who is stalking your profile on Facebook. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.